I'm going to talk you through the opening of a demo account by instaForex. There's no need for you to open a account by instaForex. Only I have been with instaForex for a very long time. If I can remember correctly, it must be 12 plus years that I have been with instaForex. Why I've chosen instaForex? One, because on my trading systems I tend to increase the trade sizes as it goes along, and with instaForex they give you a margin of 1 to 1,000, which is very few platforms offer that kind of margin. Also, they've got a fixed spread. Now, I know there are companies offering spreads from as little as 0.01 pips. Yes, instaForex gives a fixed spread. Those companies, what they don't tell you is that when the markets get volatile, their spreads can shoot right up to 50 or 80 pips. So, to me, that's an absolute no-no. I know my spread is 3 pips or whatever the case might be, and no matter what the market conditions are, you'll be paying that 3 pips, that fixed spread. Now, with that said, I know there are many people that have had problems or complaining about instaForex. Sure, I've also had some problems now and then, but at the end of the day I've always realized that the problem was on my side, and once I've corrected the documents, there's been no problem with the payouts or anything further than that. The big thing that the guys got to consider, and that is that, you know, with all companies, they've got verifications that you have to go through. Make sure that you have passed the verification levels before you deposit any money, because once you have your money, to get the money back and you haven't passed the verification levels could be quite a daunting task. Make sure you have passed the verification levels. I know with instaForex your first verification is your ID, a passport or a driver's license, something like that. Your second verification, once you've passed that, the second verification, of course, is your address, a utility bill or something like that, that can identify that as where you are living. The address must be exactly the same as what the address is that you've given to instaForex. Once you've passed those, you can know you can withdraw your money without having any problems. I mean, honestly, I've been with them for, like I said, 12 plus years, and yes, I've never really experienced any problems with withdrawing funds or anything like that. Righto. So with that said, I'll put this link down in the description below. So should you be interested in opening an account with instaForex, it is there for you to go there. Right, now let's look at the procedure of opening a demo account. Here is the little box or little form, whatever you have to complete. You can fill in your full name, your email, your telephone number. Now, you've got various currencies that you can open your account in: euros, American dollars, or Russian rubles. I normally take USD because all my things, the margins, everything has all been calculated in USD. So should you plan to rent an EA by me, I would suggest that you also use USD there. Right? Now, yeah, you can put any amount over here. You can select even $5 million if you want to. I mean, you can put really, 50,000, whatever. You can put any amount in there. But don't put an unrealistic amount. Put the amount that you would most probably be opening your live account with. Because should you wipe the demo account, it's not a problem. You could just make another one again. Also, a bit later on, I will show you how the client cabinet works. That's where you can deposit money, you do all your financial transactions, your address verifications and everything there. But anyhow, we'll talk about that a little bit later on. I normally select, let's say, $1,000, right? Because that's more realistic of what you will be putting into the account, and you get more realistic feeling of what you are doing and how you are doing it. Then you can click on to open account. Once you've clicked on to open account, you will get an email with all the information, the links, what you need, whatever, to go and download the MetaTrader 4 platform, because it's important to use the MetaTrader 4 platform. You can see here it is, download MetaTrader 4 and log into using the received data. Now, one thing I must say, instaForex gives you more information than what anybody else anywhere can give you. There's everything you want to know about trading, opening accounts, margins, you name it. instaForex has got videos and training on everything, and it's all for free. So to go and pay somebody to do things for you is actually not a very wise idea, as here it is all for free. What I'm going to do, I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to fill in my name and my email and my telephone number over here and press open account, and then when the email arrives I'll be back with you again. Be back in a moment. Right, I'm back again. Now as you can see, I've pressed open account. Here's all the information. The Forex demo account is opened, the account number, the trader password. I'm going to show you now how to change that and what it is. Your server, which server you're on, and your login and password was sent to your email address. Note that your password and login will work for MetaTrader 4 only, right? So all this information will only work on the MetaTrader 4 platform. Righto, let's go and open up the email. I'll open up the email and I'll be back with you again. Righto, I have received the email, and as I showed you over there, here's all your information: the account login, the trader password, investor password, and the server. Now you can go and click over here onto this thing over here, instaTrader, and that'll take you to the link to download the platform, right? Once you've downloaded the platform, you'll get a little link over here which you click on, and it will download the platform onto your computer. Righto, we can just do that there. Right, this internet, you know, these countries here in Southeast Asia, they advertise 4.5G, but I don't think they've got any idea what actually 4.5G is. Anyhow, I think I'm going to pause the video until that is eventually opened up one day. Righto, it is eventually opened up. So we can go, yeah, you can see all the different kinds of terminals you get. We want the MetaTrader 4. That's the one that we are looking for, right? So let's go and click onto the MetaTrader 4 platform here and see what happens. If we're lucky, something might happen. Righto, or you can come down here, download for Windows, of course, right? Or if you've got a Apple, Mac, whatever, you'll download over there, or for Android. But I'm normally working on Windows. So let's just go and see if anything is happening. Nothing. Let's try here again. Oh boy. Oh, sorry. Let's just lift that up. There you can see it's busy downloading it. Come on. A little bit more, come on. That's why I keep pausing the video, to stop it from becoming boring. Almost there. It looks like this last bit is going to take some time. Let me rather pause the video. Righto. Okay, back again. At last it's done. So now you've got this downloaded into your downloads files. All you have to do is to go and double click on it, opening, and now it should open you up a little box over here. Righto. Okay, my computer's no different. It says allow. We just click yes, and you get all this over here. You click yes, you agree, next, and you go through the whole process. I don't want to do it because should I do this here now, it's going to wipe out my existing platform with all my EAs and setups and templates and whatever the case might be. So I'm not going to do that right over here now. All you need to do is to click next, 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 and follow the instructions, right, all the way through. And then once it is all done, let me just close all this up. Close that over there. Close this over here. Close off the email. Righto. What you'll see on your screen, on your desktop, you'll most probably get a symbol like this over here on it. So what you do is double click over there. Mine's going to open up the account now because it's all set up. But I'm going to show you now quickly how to do that. So yours will most probably open up and you're going to get a block over here that asks you to log into the account. Right, there it goes, log into the account. So log into trade account. Right, oh, let me just move that out of the way again. So now you can put your account details in here, your password in there, and you select the server. Of course, your server is going to be the demo server, right? Demo 1 or 1 demo server. Just look on the email and you select that server. Righto. I'm going to leave mine as is there. Righto. Then you can click login. Once you have logged in, you will see your you've got all these instruments over here that you can trade. But the very first thing I normally do is I'll go here to tools, options, and you'll see here you click on server. You've got your account number with your password, and click change. You put in that password they gave you. You put it over here now. Change master password, put your new password and confirm your new password and click OK. Once you click OK, it'll take a little while and you'll hear it clicking in that it's been changed, right? So then you've got your own password that you can use now. Right. So now you can go to you've got all the different things down over here. Trade, we can see all your trading that's taking place on your account over here. You can see the trades, your account history. You can go and look at your account history over here, where you've got all the account history over all the time since ever you opened the account. Or of course, if you right click, you can just go and say custom period or whatever, the last month or whatever you want. Right, where are we? This internet again. Right, there we are for the last month so far. Right, now once you've got all that set up, and now you want to set your charts up. I'm going to set up a new chart. You'll see I do tend to make templates. Like here I've got a gray screen, and when I see the gray screen I know immediately that I'm on the FTSE daily. Here I go onto, and I've got a gray screen. I normally change the screen here to another color, so I can see the difference between the colors, and I know I'm on a different currency and a different frame. Same here, I can see immediately I'm on my the hourly for the other charts, whatever the case might be. I'm busy here. I can see I'm busy making a new EA. Alright, but anyhow, to open up a new chart is very easy. We just go to File, New Chart, and you've got all your instruments over here. Right? Now, if you don't find them all over here, what you can do is you go over there, you right click, and you click on Show All. Once you've clicked on Show All, now if you go there and you say File, New Chart, you'll have everything. I trade on the indices, right? The SPX and the FTSE. I'm going to open a new chart for the FTSE. Alright, here's a new chart, 1 hour chart. Here's all your different time frames. I tend to, for the EAs, I trade on an hourly, and all manual trading I do on a daily. I put onto daily. I don't like the grid. I get rid of the grid. Take the grid off, and I put onto candlesticks, and I enlarge it a little bit. Right, let's just move this out of the way again. Right, oh, where can I put it? Let's go and put it down here somewhere. Right. Now you can see we've got some candlesticks here. You can see more or less what's going on in the market. You can see the candlesticks busy forming and how they're forming. This is now on a daily chart. We can go to a 1 hour chart, and you can see the difference on the 1 hour chart here. Every candle here now is 1 hour. To add an indicator on, you'll see you've got your navigator over down here. You've got your navigator, right? And you can go and find all the different indicators over there. Or you can go, right, you can go up here, tools, chart, where are we? Time frame, templates, time frames, grids, tools, new order, history, variables, insert. Here you've got it all. Insert your indicators. Here you've got all the different kinds of indicators. Let's say I want to put Bollinger Bands on. I'll just click there onto Bollinger Bands. The period of 20, deviations of 2, the color, click OK, and there's the Bollinger Bands over there. It's the same as any of the indicators that you want to install. You could just go and click on it and it'll install the indicators for you. Right, now that's it, as it's losing a signal and picking up signal once again. Now indicators, oh boy, there are so many indicators and so many people that's got their own ideas and their own opinions on how to use it. Should you go through on YouTube, there is just so much information there, free information. A lot of it is hogwash. In actual fact, maybe most of it is hogwash. But if I can make any suggestion, the two most important things to look at is price action. Price action combined with one or two indicators, and that's all you need. Don't overload your screen with indicators. Never ever do that. It'll just confuse you. Your screen will look like it's like a Christmas tree. You will not know what to do and when what to do. Honestly, it is not worth it. Use one or two indicators, get used to them, and trade them. As I said, I've developed my EAs around the Bollinger Bands and around the Ichimoku. If you can master any one of those two, you will be a winner in any case. And also, of course, divergence. If you can master to trade divergences, oh boy, I can promise you one thing, that you will really be a winner if you can use divergence. Divergence is just a great indicator, and it really gives you very accurate trades. For all, if you're going to go onto the daily, then you'll be surprised to see how accurate divergence can be. I don't have the divergence indicator on this computer right now. I'll get it and I'll put it up, and I'll make a special video just all on divergences. Right, now basically we have been through how to set up the MetaTrader 4 platform. We will go into putting in EAs in that on a later on a later video. We've just gone through basically some of the stuff over here, and of course what it's all about. Basically the basic thing is that you just know where to find things, practice, play with it. You can just do practice putting a trade. You can right click there, you can see as a sell limit, you can put a sell limit, trading, sell limit, buy stop, alert, new order, whatever. There's so many things you can put over here. Let's just look at the new order. Right, here is the new order now. We can say sell, buy, whichever, it doesn't matter. One thing about the FTSE and the SP, you must be careful of the trading hours. These might be closed by now. So if you go onto the CHF new order, for instance, right, they'll be open. You can buy or sell. Now you click over here, it'll click you immediately into a trade. Immediately. Here you can see the trade is open. There's your spread. That is fixed all the time. It'll be the same. So here you can click, you can set your lots, right? How many lots you want to trade, your stop loss, whatever. And if you click there, buy now, it'll put you into market immediately. If you want to put a buy order, you just click on pending order, a buy limit order, what you've gone through in the, if you look at the PDF documents, you'll see them. Yeah, buy stop order, sell stop order. Those are the two ones that I use constantly in my trading. Also, once again, like I said before, instaForex has got enough. If you go once you open an account, you can get their trading videos, and they are really very good. You will learn everything you need to know about placing orders just alone from that on its own. Really, most brokers today have got very good training because they're trying to get clients. In the old days, brokers weren't. There were so far few brokers around, put it this way, that you had to pay to learn how to trade the markets. Nowadays there's so many brokers, and they're really fighting between each other to get clients, that they're offering all these extra services for free. So yes, that's a very good idea, and you can maybe get enough information how to trade, how to place trades over there. Righto, more on the next video. Thank you for watching.